Hello, this is a recycled video about recycling your bath water. Made some years ago and well before I had constructed my cascading water butts system. If you're gardening at home and not collecting and using rainwater, this might be an option. It also features a cameo by my dog Molly at the seashore. Enjoy the video. Another beautiful day here at Homegrown Veg. It's been scorchio. I've just been down our local seashore with Molly. Molly's had a swim, we've just got in. I've made myself this cup of tea. Molly's having a stretch next to me in the kitchen, aren't you, sweetheart? Yes, you are. But I've got a sweat on. Molly's quite refreshed. She's had a swim, but I've had a long walk, and so I'm feeling the pace. So what I'm going to do, when I have this cup of tea, I'm going to run myself a bath. I'm going to have a bath. I'm going to cool down. I'm going to let the bath water cool down, and then we're going to recycle it in the garden. How about that? But what I'll do first, so you're not hanging about, and I know I've got, Molly has quite a few fans out there, I know you like to see Molly. Instead of putting that clip on the back of the video, I'll put it on the front. So if you don't want to see bath water being recycled in the garden, just watch Molly having a swim. If you want to watch both, stay at the end. Okay, so we'll finish this cup of tea, Mom. Yeah, we'll finish this, then we'll have a bath, we'll let the water cool down, then we'll recycle the bath water. Is that a deal? Yeah. Molly's looking at me now, she says it's a deal. Hello, come this way, Dad. Hey. Okay. You okay? Good girl. Good girl.